Hey everyone, welcome back to Pogs Cafe. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you an open source app that lets you mirror your iPhone screen on your PC. This is not only useful for streamers who want to share their iPhone screen in OBS, but also for anyone who wants to watch movies or listen to music from their phone on their PC. The app is called UxPlay and it's free and very simple to install. It works with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, but in this video, we'll be focusing on running it on Windows. You can find the source on the app's GitHub page, which I've linked in the description. The developers are doing a great job of adding features and improving the project, so be sure to check back for new versions. Before we can run the app, we need to install Apple's Bonjour service on the PC. The easiest way to do this is by installing Bonjour printer services for Windows. Alternatively, you can download the developer kit for a newer version of the Bonjour service, but this requires an additional step of signing into your Apple account from the browser. I've linked both options in the description so you can choose the one you prefer. With the Bonjour service installed, we can now download and run the app. There is no Windows binary on GitHub, so I compiled it and put it on a downloadable link on the pogs.cafe blog, which I've also linked below. The easiest way to quick start it is to download the zip file, extract it, and run the shortcut to UxPlay. If this didn't work, you can try downloading another version or compiling it yourself for your system. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a tutorial on how to compile this project for Windows. If all requirements are satisfied, the app will display a console output saying it's ready to connect. The iPhone and PC have to be connected to the same home network to make the connection possible. To start mirroring the iPhone screen, open Control Center by swiping down from the top right-hand corner of your screen and tap the screen mirroring icon. The app will show up on the list of available devices. Tap on the item starting with UxPlay and wait for the screen share window to appear. This can take a few seconds. When the window opens, you can use your phone as usual, and the screen and sound will be mirrored to your PC. If you are a streamer or video creator, you can easily add this window as a window source in OBS to share the iPhone screen with your audience. We can use a config file or command line arguments to tweak options. To use options, start the shortcut called Start Terminal and type in uxplay.exe, followed by your choice of arguments. Here are some that I found useful. FPS to select the FPS rate, for example, FPS 60. S to select the resolution, S with added refresh rate. A which displays video without audio. VS0 which plays audio but not video. NC to keep the window open when the phone disconnects. D to enable debug output. The shortcut called UxPlay shortcut uses the file config.txt, in which options can be easily added by typing in the option without the dash in a new row. Rows that start with a hashtag are treated as comments and ignored. More options can be found in the README file on the project's GitHub page. Starting the app with the phone in landscape mode will create a landscape mode window, but rotating the phone later during use does not automatically resize the window. I don't know if this will change in a future release, but I find this behavior useful when sharing the window in OBS, since I can count on it having the same shape during the stream. I hope you found this useful. If you like the video, give it a pat on the like button and subscribe to catch the next one. Thank you for watching.